We'll guide you through how to play Roblox on a laptop and PC and what the controls are. First of all, open your browser and head over to Roblox. Now you can either create an account or log into your existing account. Once signed in, find any game you want to play. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now click on the game and press the play button. If this is your first time playing Roblox on your computer, you'll get a pop-up asking you to download Roblox. Click download and wait for the Roblox installer to finish downloading. Now open your File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder. Double-click on the Roblox installer file to install it. Once installed, the Roblox app will open automatically. You can continue using the Roblox website or the Roblox app. Now click Join or Play to load into the game. Once the game opens, you can maximize the screen by clicking the Maximize icon in the top right corner. You can also press F11 on your keyboard to enter full screen mode. On some laptops, you may need to press Fn and F11 together. Now let's go over the basic controls. To move your character, use the W, A, S, and D keys on your keyboard. To move the camera around, hold the right-click button on your mouse and move your mouse. To zoom in or out, use the scroll wheel on your mouse. To jump, press the spacebar. You can also move the camera using the arrow controls shown on the screen in some games. If you want to pause the game or open the menu, press the Escape key on your keyboard. Inside the menu, you can click on Help to see more keyboard shortcuts and controls. And that's it. That's how to play Roblox on a PC or laptop and use the basic controls. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.